As a biker, we're continuously exposed to several dangers on the road. Basically, anything around us can kill us. Some things we can control, other things I don't think we can. The following example is of something that we cannot control, but we can try to avoid it by paying attention. Any junction is always a danger. For us, the danger becomes bigger because we're smaller and we're harder to spot. So guys, especially on junctions, always pay attention and always remember anyone can just turn and catch you off guard. Anyone. It's not the first situation I have, and will very likely not be the last situation. These things happen more often than we think, and sometimes with very serious consequences.